It's not magic. It's a fascinating process of learning, connecting, and we're going to break it all down. So, how does an AI even start creating? Step 1 is all about the data. Imagine an AI as a student who has read every book, watched every movie, and seen every piece of art ever made. It absorbs a massive amount of information. We're talking petabytes of text, images, and code. This isn't just memorization. It's about learning patterns, styles, and structures. For my channel, an AI would analyze all my past videos. It would look at the topics I cover, the words I use, my editing style, even the length of my videos and the thumbnails that perform best. It's essentially building a comprehensive model of what makes my content, well, my content. After gathering all that data, the AI moves to the next stage, understanding the prompt. When I ask it to create a video idea for my channel, it doesn't just see those words. It breaks them down. Video idea means it needs to generate a concept. For my channel tells it to use the model it built from my previous content. It's like giving a chef a request. Make me a dessert, but make it taste like something you'd serve at your restaurant. The chef knows their own style, ingredients, and what their customers like. The AI does the same, referencing its knowledge of my channel's unique flavor. Now, for the exciting part, generation. This is where the AI starts connecting the dots. It doesn't just copy and paste old ideas, it blends and remixes them in new ways. Think of it like a massive game of word association. It might connect AI from one video with creativity from another, then mix in tutorial from a third. This process involves complex algorithms like transformers and neural networks, which allow the AI to weigh different possibilities and predict what combination of concepts would be most logical, interesting, and relevant to my audience. It's not thinking in the human sense, but it is making trillions of calculated connections per second. Let's try a live simulation. Let S say I feed an AI a prompt. Generate a new video script about the future of virtual reality, in the style of my channel. First, it scans its database of my videos. It notes my conversational tone, my use of real-world examples, and my tendency to end with a thought-provoking question. Then, it pulls from its vast general knowledge about virtual reality the latest headsets, software, and future concepts like the metaverse. The AI would start generating text, constantly checking its output against the style guide it created for my channel. It might draft an intro like, "Have you ever thought about what it would be like to step into a completely new world?" Because it knows I like to start with engaging questions. It would then pull in specific examples. Maybe comparing current VR tech to something from a popular sci-fi movie because it recognizes that's a pattern in my storytelling. It would weave in technical details but explain them simply, mirroring my educational style. Throughout this process, there's an element of randomness, or what's technically called temperature. A low temperature means the AI plays it safe. sticking very closely to the data it learned. A higher temperature allows for more creative leaps, more unexpected connections. It's a delicate balance between coherence and creativity. The final script would be a unique blend of existing knowledge, my personal style, and a touch of that AI-generated randomness. It's a collaboration between human direction and machine-powered creation. So, is AI truly creative? That's a huge debate. But what's undeniable is its ability to simulate the creative process in a powerful way. By analyzing, connecting, and generating, it can produce content that is fresh, relevant, and surprisingly human-like. It's a tool that's changing how we all create. What do you think? Is this real creativity or just a very sophisticated trick? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this peek behind the curtain, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech. See you in the next one.